Hey friends, this is Atif here, Val, and welcome to the new update on Avalanche. Recently, the price of Avalanche broke down the support of this falling wedge pattern. Despite this was a bullish fast move, but this time we have broken down the support rather than breaking out the resistance. By the way, the technical target for this breakdown from this wedge was here at this long-term support of $20, and you can see that the price then went very close to that support and dropped up to $21.20, but could not hit this support level and recovered back. And for a while, we also broke out once again on this daily time frame chart with this long-term downtrend and resistance that was previously breaking other resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this downtrend line has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here for stable weeks and months. Resistance here and resistance here back in the month of November 2021 as well. And now after this breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance. By the way, on the daily time frame chart, for a while we broke out this resistance, but again moved down. But this is a very long-term resistance coming from the month of November 2021. Therefore, I've been telling you in my previous videos that we can wait for the price line to close above this resistance on the 7 days time frame chart. And so far, you can see that this candlestick is not closed above this resistance after this breakdown. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel and another very huge breakout from this big and long term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup for PHB, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 29th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also mod the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Avalanche. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that we have already broken down this support of falling wedge pattern. And after that, we had a big drop and we have almost hit the target to the downside for this breakdown. However, here we have a very long-term support of $20. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $20 has been previously working as a support here. And for a few weeks, it had been working as support here. When we broke out, we retested this level as support for a few weeks. And here it was working as a resistance. And therefore now, again, it is working as a very nice support. By the way, here it was also working as a very nice support in the month of April 2021 as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a very strong support for the past few weeks or months. It is working as support. And this time you can see that the price line went very close to this support of $20, but did not hit this support. But if it will be dropped down there, then again, it can work as a very strong support for the price line of Avalanche. By the way, during this recent move to the downside, we have also broken down this uptrend line support as well that was coming from the month of September 2023. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and now it can again break out a resistance. So many resistance levels we will need to now break out in order to continue this rally to the upside. That rally was, by the way, began here after the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then you can see that after the breakout from this channel, let me just show you this channel on the daily time frame chart. You can see that recently we broke out this channel. And after the breakout, the target was here at the top of the channel at approximately $65. And the price then could not hit that target so far because it was rejected by this long-term resistance of $55. And I'm expecting that soon it can also hit that target as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $150. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.